coffee cup, and day C, Wat Patamu, 25th of July, Thursday, Ha Soon Sam, 5:03 AM. So I'm just going to do half minutes breath work and then head over to the kitchen to help. Cup and cup.
ไม่กระไรวันเพื่อเสริมภาพนี้เกิดคนไทยไปดูแต่เกิดพูดคือเทศโอเคยังได้ทุกเมื่อนี่เป็นคนไทยเลยให้ทุกคนสิทธิ์ของผู้เชื่อJoseph every day same time everyone is on the ball every day สุขคือทุกข์อยู่ที่ใจของเราไม่ใช่หรือไม่ใช่ข้างนอกถ้าเราถือก็เป็นทุกข์ใช่ไหมหากเราปล่อยวางมันก็ว่ามันก็เป็นทุกข์ทุกโขตินาถูกความทุกข์ครอบงำแล้วถูกความทุกข์นำมาแล้วทุกข์ก็เกิดเป็นมหาโจรไม่คอยเข็นฆ่าคอยทำร้ายผู้คนส่วนความสุขนั้นเกิดมีนิสสหายส่วนผู้คิดนิพูดใจแต่ผลสุดท้ายแล้วความสุขที่คนหลงไปมีตายเป็นไปตายแง่ๆตายอย่างเคียวส่วนความทุกข์นั้นน่าเกลียดน่ากลัวตัวไปทุกข์น้อยชื่อเป็นโตของคุยมานั้นดีหนีกันหญิงท้องแก่เราไม่ใส่บาตรโงคุยมาถ้าเป็นในบาตรหญิงท้องแก่ไปถามว่าพระคุณเจ้าได้ข่าวว่าองค์คุยมาจะมาตรงนี้ได้ไหมอาตมานี่แหละเป็นองค์คุยมาแต่ได้เกิดชีวิตเข้าตกหกล้มหกล้มแล้วองค์คุยมาองค์คุยมาก็ตกไม่ผ่านยกมือนักโทนักงานนักตินักโทนักความเป็นขอความเจริญสุขสวัสดิ์คุณหญิงน้องหญิงลูกด้วยเข้ามาบอกคุยมาความทุกข์นั้นมันเปิดโอกาสให้เราวิ่งหนีได้ต้องลดความทุกข์ก่อนในขั้นต้นความทุกข์สอนให้เราเข้มแข็งสอนให้เราเกิดขึ้นสอนให้เรามีมุ่งมั่นมุ่งมั่นนะให้เราจุดหมายปลายทางมีเป้าหมายชีวิตของเราว่าปลายชีวิตขอให้เรามีสิ่งดีทำกุศลหล่อเลี้ยงจิตใจหล่อเลี้ยงจิตวิญญาณของเราแล้วดีกว่าแก่ในแก่มาแต่ว่าสมบัติเกิดมาแต่ธรรมะเข้าว่าถึงแก่กันดีหน่อยถ้าทะเลตัวกรรมเนี่ยมันชั่วสมองบวมไม่กลายเป็นผีลงเล่นรีบสร้างกุศลกรรมที่ดีแล้วเราจะมีความสุขโอ้อาจารย์เบื่อชีวิตเหลือเกินสามีภรรยามานั่งที่ตลาดทุกคนได้ตัดกันผู้ชายก็พูดอะไรโน้ตด่าทั่วสารทิศตัวโลกตัวคุณให้มองเอาพอผู้ชายพูดจบไม่ยิ้มขึ้นนะน้องคนนั่งร้องชั่วโมงกว่าว่าเลยไม่ได้พูดอะไรสักคำฟังโยมเทศน์นี่นะฟังเทศน์แต่ญาติโยมไม่ได้ทำพูดเสร็จแล้วลาครับลาผมลาแล้วครับที่ฉันลาแล้วค่ะเดินลุกไปตรงอย่างนี้มีคนออกมาอัดอั้นตันใจมาระบายรับได้ต้องมีสติเลิศโอ้พยายามมีสติเลิศสติไม่ต้องการท่านอะไรมันต้องการโยมขอเจ๋งๆทุกงวดอาจารย์ผมถึงเมาเนาะที่สอนคนตีเมาหรือว่าคนบ้าไม่ได้เวลาเป็นบางครั้งเป็นไข้ก่อนไข้บ้าตรงสร้างจิตต่อจิตใจน้อมรอยเป็นมันพวกสองเวทีเนี่ยหาที่ถูกที่เกิดไม่ได้เรื่องจนกว่าจะได้รับกุศลเมตตาผู้มีเมตตาแผ่กุศลที่ถูกคนง่ายถ้าอยู่ไกลก็ไม่ได้อยู่ใกล้ๆได้เนาะนะจุดเกิดทุกข์มันก็เป็นของธรรมชาติธรรมดาไม่ได้ไปถือตามเกิดมาเกิด เรื่องนู้นเรื่องนี้แหละแต่ของหนักกายคนหนักอกหนักใจมันไม่ค่อยดีมันไม่ค่อยสบายมันก็ถึงจะถึงทางที่บ้านชอบได้งานเงินทองมหาศาลเป็นวิบัติติดตัวที่ชั่วคราวจะต้องผ่านจากทางเมื่อวันตายจริงเนาะเกิดความดีมีความสัตย์เป็นผู้บาปแท้ถึงตัวแก่กายดับไม่รับหายจากสถิตนิ่งจากสถิตจิตแน่นในร่างกายของจิตถึงตัวตายทำยังอยู่ความดียังอยู่เนาะธรรมะเป็นเครื่องผู้คิดนิพพใจนะพุทโธพุทโธใจดีพุทโธเมตตานะบริกรรมนะพุทโธเมตตาพระพุทธองค์เป็นเมตตาทรงมีความกรุณานะมันจะผู้ใหญ่และจะมีพระปัญญาปัญญาเนี่ยเราทุกคนเกิดมาถือว่ามีบุญทุกคนถ้าเกิดมาเนี่ยบุญได้เป็นไทยได้พบพระพุทธศาสนามันได้พบแสงตัวคนเกิดมาก็ต้องเกิดเพราะอวิชชาเอาวิชานั่นหนามันทำให้เราเกิดความมืดความมัวหมองในชีวิตถึงปฏิบัติธรรมเนี่ยเป็นกุศลเนี่ยเพื่อละอกุศลมันเป็นบุญเพื่อละบาปมันเป็นทางเพื่อละธรรมมันมีฝ่ายดีให้ใจมันรักดีเรื่องดีทำให้ใจมันผ่อนคลายให้ใจเนี่ยธรรมะให้ใจสงบมีความสุขได้ธรรมะเนาะส่วนการทำเกิดความโลภความโกรธความหลงที่ที่ถึงที่มองตาแล้วพัดน้อยอกแล้วแต่พัดเลยที่อิจฉาวิทยาไม่ได้มองที่ติดใจเลยไม่ได้ละไม่ได้ขาดไม่ได้เข้าไม่ได้บอกไม่ได้ว่าความดีก็ไม่ได้ทำงานภาคงานหลวงงานสังคมพัฒนาไม่ช่วยเขาจิตใจก็ห่อหุ้มด้วยความงอนหมองความเศร้าหมองเกิดความหลงทุกข์อีกมันเป็นทุกข์และปฏิบัติธรรมเพื่อละธรรมก็เป็นบุญเพื่อละบาปกุศลเพื่อละอกุศลกุศลแปลว่าฝ่ายดีอกุศลแปลว่าฝ่ายไม่ดีนะเวลาตั้งใจทำอะไรแล้วก็ต้องประสบความสำเร็จในอุปสรรคปัญหาที่ทำให้ท้อแท้เบื่อหน่ายคลายวางสรุปแล้วคือบุญทานบุญสอนความเป็นไปเยอะจะได้ดำเนินรอยตามบุญสอนต่อไปนึกถึงความตายบ้างจะเป็นมรณะสตินึกถึงความตายสบายนะหากรักหากหลงในสงสารให้ดับความมืดโมหะอำนาจตามเจตนาหมายจะต้องไม่ยุ่งใจที่มันยุ่งใจเพราะอะไรเนาะยุ่งนอกแต่ข้างในมันสบายยุ่งนอกไม่ว่าอะไรนะไม่ว่าความตายจะได้ความดีจะได้พบความดีบริสุทธิ์เลยเอาทีนี้ก่อนนะโอเคเอาว่าดีพุทธศาสนาปลอดภัยเพิ่มนะพาตุติวิวันเลสวนทิสวนมัสวนเดียก้อนเดียคันตุเนี่ยดิเสียเดียก้อนมองดิสันละเดียคันซีสันเดียเคสันแท้everyone happy sunlight everyone happy sunset anniversary sad นะวันเดียว4 วันรู้หมดเสียงโลกุดโมนี Where you come from? I come from Russia. What is your name? I am Natalie. How old are you? I am 30 old. Like 70, 80. No? Are you smoking cigarette? Too much. Are you drinking alcohol? Too much. You can stop. Difficult. No, say maybe 1 month, maybe 1 day, 10 days, maybe 1 month. Okay. Look like 70, 80. Skin of face, get old. No have all that. Natalie say 1 year, 4, 5 years. The body she pretty, hungry, smoking cigarette. No cigarette. Smoking cigarette have cancer around. Sure. Not sure. Drink alcohol. Sure. Not cancer. Get old quickly. Then Natalie, 30 years. Like 70 years, 80 years. She say here 2 weeks. 2 weeks. More calm. I can say 1 month can. 1 month she sleep well, good dream. She say goodbye. I got I left him today. Let clear my family boyfriend. Make me crazy. Make me boyfriend. Contact me only. Now you know because maybe say goodbye my boyfriend. You the drink alcohol, smoking, you party. Okay. You don't like vipassana. Natalie say goodbye to Moscow Russia 1 year. Natalie she come. Hello, I want to come. Natalie. Wow. Natalie, yes. Russia, I look to get old. 70, 80. This year, I look very young, beautiful skin, no? I 74, 55 years. No. Everyone, no? Smoking cigarette, no. Make the mind to put energy, calm energy, no? Put energy, calm energy, to take care of your body, healthy. Healthy. If you angry, easy, sad, easy, worry, easy, confused, easy, sure. Get your activity. And sleep, get your activity. University, New York. Check. People Vipassana. 10,000. Okay. People know Vipassana. 10,000. So, put ma, put people, and people. And outside the problem, good story, bad story. People know Vipassana, the fighter easy. Yeah, easy, confused, easy, sad. People Vipassana, looking, sleeping. Good? Yeah, different, no? Different. People smoking cigarette and drink alcohol. 10,000 people. People no smoking cigarette, no drink alcohol. Okay, no? Nice people and people no smoking cigarette or cancer. People smoking cigarette, cancer. Sure. People barbecue. People do barbecue. People barbecue, they get fat. No? People know barbecue, okay. Put cylinder. Put more in. Put cylinder. Nice cylinder. Before. You eat food, take care your body is happy. Clear. Yeah, vipassana. Vipassana, take care your mind happy. Okay, clear. Mouth hot. Over time. I'm sorry, Samurai not chop. Eat the heart, eat good, everything is good. Let your mind be happy, everything happy. We make everything go with success from your heart, your mind. Your heart, your mind, everyone beautiful. Moon, moon. Oh, moon, sky. Not clear. Sky clear and see star and see the moon. Very wonderful, right? If there is no happy, very good. Vipassana full moon can happy all the time. Honeymoon happy short time. Keep on. Your blessing meditation for a minute. To blessing, thank you, keep here, to do cooking, food, support, food, to hear something, keep something, thank you. Father, Mother, take care of them, all of them, thank you. Mom, thank you. Mom, love you, everyone. Thank you, Mom. Yeah, Mom. Check your sitting. Your cushion, your future, your hand, your body, your mouth, your nose, your eyes, your head. Keep your body upright. Take a few deep time to learn. Breathing in and inside, run to nature. Keep it all the way below. Keep it continuity. Below the way, below the feeling. Focus. Look at your mind. Observe the body. This is a person. Future breathing your tomorrow of your nose. Breathing all your mind tomorrow of your nose. Breathing your mind. Breathing all your mind. You feel good to that for action. Feel good body, bad body, bone body, you feel no action. No action. Your mind calm, looking, and breathing feel much more. Breathing out your mind. Sit comfortable. You relax your back. No complaint in your body. No complaint in your back. Okay. You will be okay. นั่งสมาธิก่อนจะลงหายใจเข้าหายใจออกช้าๆอะไรอย่างนี้ก็ให้ค่อยๆผ่อนคลายหัดลงพลังไม่เคยลงหายใจเข้าหายใจออกนี่เอาจิตก็คือธาตุรู้ก็เอาเลยกายกับจิตนี่กายที่เรานั่งอยู่เรื่องกายเราอย่างจิตตั้งไว้ที่ปลายหายใจเข้าก็รู้ตัวรู้ตัวจิตเรื่องใหม่เรื่องเก่าเรื่องนู้นเรื่องนี้แต่ละพักเรื่องบางที่เรื่องการและตัวจิตเข้าเรียนได้หายใจเข้ารู้ถ้าเป็นหลักเป็นสายลมเป็นสิ่งที่โกรธว่าเราสบาย Discipline to calm the restful forms of communication slowly. The more progressive everyone to get this in the discipline of all. Just thank you for your mentally at least. The normal good, work on the process of Okay, invite everyone to happy enjoy lunch and food. Please take big one for you. No barbecue, no. Okay. Ni hao, keep up. One of those other kids had food, and so back to
heading back to the Dharma Hall, and I picked up a lovely cashmere scarf to wear. It's really nice, so soft, so beautiful here. Lovely umbrella, used as a cane, walking stick. Lovely umbrella, look at it, the handle. There's Wat Patan Wu on the umbrella.
mindfulness ก่อนคือทำฝึกสติในการกล่าวพระพร้อมกันอัญชลีวันทาอาภิวาทอัญชลีวันทาอาภิวาทอัญชลีวันทาอาภิวาทอัญชลีวันทาLet's provide. Today we talk about some questions that I would like to share. Good question. How to forgive when you have something in your heart. Somebody hurt you so badly. Somebody hurt you. And if in this now you say, I don't want to forgive him now. This is our first question. How to? Because it had happened to you. To all of you, when you have a problem, you will have something in your heart, you don't want to forgive somebody do bad thing to you until you don't want to forgive. How to? This is one question. The second question, some people ask me about, is it possible that suppose grandfather have the father have the son have the son again. And the grandfather come back to want to be the cousin of us in the same family. This is possible. Yes, this is I'm telling you about this. It is normal. There are many evidence in Thailand that we have always to check that they are come back to want in the same family, especially not far from this room. I have a burn mark in my hand like this now. So when actually is when I already born 6 years before this, 6 years. And I died when I'm only 3 months because in that time Thailand not good in medical. I died from diarrhea 3 months. When dying, my father made a burn mark, use it to make up in my hand like this, and this is a brown black charcoal like this, and he made a wish. This come back to born into my family again. He made a wish like this, and then the time passed. 2 years. I have my older sister, and then 2 years I have my older sister, and then another 2 years, 6 years now. So I wait 6 years until born to be this again. In Thailand, we always suppose we have a kid that died before when appropriate time. When they are baby, we always make a birth mark like this, push pain in the body, some area in the body of the baby, that when they come back to, we will know that, oh, you are come back again, like this. And this is nature of us. It depends on what? Depends on the mind. The mind, if the mind is stuck into something, it will come back to born in the same family. For example, or if your mind is still stuck into somebody, especially maybe woman and man fall in love each other, it have a chance to come back. One story. A man and a woman, they get married. The man is okay, the woman is okay. The woman is a good lady. The man have a problem about his eye, have have slightly of squint, not normal eye. Everybody know not normal eye. That this man, that the man. Unfortunately, the man have sickness and he died at 25. Before that, he made a wish to promise with wife. He said, okay, I may die soon. So please promise me that if we born together again, we will remember. We will remember. The old lady, the lady said, okay, if I want to see you again, I will remember you. The man said, okay, I will remember you too. Okay. After that, he died. So he died with feeling of love, feeling love. The man died. The man died until the time passed. Maybe 50 years, 50 years or 60 years, 60 years. One day, the lady is still single. She did not get married again. He go to the market, and when he come back to his her house, some family being a little shy coming to ask for the blessing from the old lady, because old lady this is a good person. The people in the village always bring the kid come back to ask the old lady to give a blessing to the kid. And when the old lady see a little kid, this is only 6 years, 7 years, around this kid have the same slight sequence of the eye, and she remember just like hey, you are just like I remember you one time, but I don't know that I found you any place, but her heart remember this kid. He curious that this is possible, but she don't know. She don't say anything. Okay, the kid come and she stare at the woman, and the woman blessing to the kid. The kid always come to this house again. The kid always have the habits to. He always play in the temple and pick up the flower, and give it to the old lady. He do like this many times until the old lady curious. This habit similar to his her husband. That her husband before that, her husband like to pick up the flower and give to the old lady. She began to cry because she think to her husband that this behavior similar to her husband. Always pick up the flower and give to the old lady. And one day, the last day, the kid come and stay alone with the old lady. The kid said, "Now, you remember me?" The old lady said, "Yes, I remember you." The kid said, "I come here to tell you that I will not stay in this world long. I stay for a temporary to tell you that I still remember you, just like we are promised together in here, in the place that I have a promise together in that house." Like this. So the kid still remember the old lady, the lady still remember the kid. That is because the mind have relationship, bring this kid come back to born again and found his wife, the old lady. Like this. This is a story about when we die. The mind important. If our mind have in relationship and stuck into somebody, some family, it have a chance to born again. Or stuck into some people, some land. Suppose you want to born into this land in your country, you will be born again. You will be born again. All the unless some another story, unless about 60 years ago in Thailand, in the mountain of Thailand, we found some farmer they are trying to make a rice field, and they dig it, and he found a skeleton bone, many bone in that area, about 10 bones, 10 body in that area, and he want to know who is he? Why he born in the same place a lot like this? He go to the monk, ask the monk go to meditate, and the monk tell him, okay, this is a born from a man. That is born from a woman. That is born from his kid. So the monk do meditate again. He see this born. This first man now already born. They are born 600 years ago. You see that? This storyteller, when the people die, they are starting to some place, some rhyme. In this, the first born already born from that time to this time, 600 years. Now he born in the now. Now he is a man. His name is this. His place is in suppose in Bangkok. In Bangkok, and now he wants to be a man. This is a born from a man. The second one born from his wife, a lady. Now this lady already born and born to be a man again. So it means that the born of the lady, if we want to be a man, he make a wish. He make a wish that next life, if I born again, I want to be a man and want to be a monk, have an ordained to be a monk. And now the monk see, now he already a monk already, and born in Thailand, but in another province, in some place near Bangkok, but not in Bangkok. Now he want to be a monk. The second one, and the third one, and the fourth one, he's a man and want to be a monk too. So they all make a wish to be born to be a man and want to be a monk. Now he already born. So the time 600 years ago, from that point, he said from that point is no Bangkok. In that time, no Thailand. Have only small area in the mountain of Thailand. We call Lana. Lana is small area in the mountain here, around here. Around Mae Hong Son, Chiang Mai, Chiang Rai, that we call Lana. In that time, there are no country, still no country. So that time, people died from this, and they started to sunrise and come back to born again to be this. Now he born to be in the same time, but separate the place. A woman born in some province far from Bangkok. The two young men born another province to be a monk. They all make a wish before they die that he want to be born to be a man and want to be a monk. So now it's complete. They are make a wish and then they have all this. So this story tells us that the mind is important. The mind very important. No? So if the mind still stuck into somebody, some place, some status, in this case, they want to be a man, they want to be born, have a chance to be born to be a monk, they can do it. Like this. This is a story about the mind after the death. Like this. The second story that people want to know how to forgive people. Sometimes you have problem about somebody do bad thing to you and you don't want to forgive. I recommend you must forgive. Why? If you not forgive, you harm yourself all the time. And finally, when you begin to die, the story, the angry mind that comes in the deepest of your heart, it will come floating in the surface of your heart by automatic. So when the time to die is important, anything that is in your heart, it will come floating into the surface. And when it comes to the surface, your mind will catch in that emotion. Suppose in this case, you angry somebody, you don't want to forgive, this will come back into the surface of your mind, into the consciousness mind. The mind will grab it, and when they grab it, if you lost the last breath in that moment, it will push you to born in the angry goes by automatic. So you should learn to forgive. You should learn to forgive. How to forgive? There are two ways. One, samatha. How to forgive when you practice samatha? You think you use the right thought to get rid of the bad thought. Use the right thought. Why? Suppose somebody hurt me so badly. They do something bad to my father. Like this, I don't want to forgive him. When I see him, every time I only think angry come. I want to punch him, or I want to do something bad to him, like this. This is when you do this. We think that just take someone to think that I have to die. He have to die. He loves happiness. I love happiness. He hates suffering. I hate suffering. So we have the same destiny. We are going to die. Both. You are going to die. I am going to die. No need to get angry anymore. It's useless. Every time that I hold the feeling I want to revenge, I hold the bad thing, I burn my heart all the time. He don't know anything. He don't know anything. He do bad things to me one time, but I am hurt myself all the time. So you should learn to forgive by things like this. So okay, you do bad things, I forgive you. You go by your own way, I go my own way. So we don't have explanation. And this is okay. We will not angry him anymore. This is we use the right thought, get rid of the bad thought. This is samatha. Second way, we use vipassana. Vipassana, we don't change, we don't use thinking. We let the emotion come. For example, Buddha, I think to him again, angry come, let it come. We don't change angry come. After that, we step back and observe the angry. And don't go to the story. Because if you go to the story, the more you think, the angry will strong. The more you think, the angry will strong. So don't go to the story. Training, you have to train. Don't go to the story. Observe the angry mind directly. One to one. I am the mind who sees the angry mind. That moment you have two minds. One mind is an angry mind. One mind is an awareness mind. Angry mind comes from thinking to the past. Awareness mind comes from you create from mindful. So that moment you have two minds, it is not the same. Angry mind is we call unwholesome mind. Awareness mind is a wholesome mind. So wholesome and unwholesome, it will not stay together. Unwholesome will die. It will die quick. So your job is to, when you have a problem, don't try to push it away. It's not work. So when you have bad emotion that attack your heart, only mindful calm and bring good mind come to your life that observe this. Good mind will get rid of the bad mind by itself, not by you. So your job when you have a problem, anything, pressure from thinking, anything, you have angry somebody or sexual attack your heart, you want to finish it. Just stop and observe it. Bring mindful come to your mind. It will get rid of it by itself. At first, not quick. At first, when I practice, at first not quick, maybe it takes time. But when you do it again, think again, mindful come, think again, mindful come, think again, mindful come, until it's faster. Only think to forgive to that man. Mindful will get rid of it by itself. This is a way that you can get rid of the bad thing and learn to forgive the people like this. Okay, it's time. after this, we are going to practice our walking meditation. แล้วเราไปเดินจงกรม ฝึกสติในการรู้จิตตัวเองฝึกสติในการรู้จิตตัวเองว่าจิตคิดเราต้องรู้ทัน When your mind think just aware When your mind think do anything just aware When your mind have pressure angry or every emotion just aware Aware is when accept that emotion and don't change vipassana don't change every emotion. Fear come, just aware, okay, I have fear now. Angry come, I have angry now. Upset come, I have upset now. So don't change it. Train to not change it. That's aware. So step back to not attach. A little harder because it's vipassana a little harder. Because our mind like to attach, now it's time to not attach. Angry come, let it come. And you just stop and observe. It's not belong to you. Angry actually is not belong to you. But our mind like to jump and attach and claim this is my anger. When you think this is belong to me, it will create I feel angry. Like this. So we train to let it come but not jump to it. Observe it. Okay, we ready? Come back to your body. Sit relax, make knowledge to your life. If you have father, mother, or that people that you want to share, do the good thing to your life and share loving kindness to them, it will reach to your target. Like this. If you have the people that we love to you, you should share loving kindness to all of them. Okay, when your body, sit relax, sit relax. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Pay attention to your head. Feel, only feel. Don't think. Feel your head, only feel. That's all. Feel your head. Now your mind stay there at head. From head, move down, slowly move to eyes now. Move, feeling eyes. Feeling at eyes, your mind will arise up there. At eyes, move down to nose, move to nose. Your mind will arise up there. Now we train the mind to move through all the body. We train the mind now, the mind stay at nose. You will feel like this, feel like this. When you move the mind to the mouth, it feels different. Observe, now it's different. Now move your mind to mouth. You feel something else. Feel your mouth here. From mouth, move down to neck. You know that your mind move to neck because your mind will tell us something. The feeling at your neck, you know, feeling at your neck is mean your mind stay there. From the mind stay at your neck, we train to move your mind, move down to middle of your chest, move middle of your chest, your mind know area of the middle of your chest. From middle of your chest, go to your right hand, go to right shoulder, feeling of right shoulder comes to your sense, feeling of right shoulder, now move down to right elbow come, feeling of right elbow come, feeling of right shoulder is gone. You see this moment you have feeling of right elbow, right elbow. Move down to right hand. Feeling of right hand, rise up. Feeling of right elbow gone. You see that it is rising falling all the time. Now your mind stay with feeling of right hand. From right hand, we change intent to change to left shoulder. Feeling of left shoulder calm. Feeling of right hand gone. Feeling of left shoulder arise up. You feel left shoulder. Left shoulder move down to left elbow. Feeling of left elbow calm. Feeling of left shoulder gone. Go to your left elbow. Left elbow. Move down to left hand. Feeling of left hand calm. Feeling of left elbow gone. If you're rising, falling all the time, now your mind stay with left hand. Keep on left hand. Now move attention to right hip. Feeling of right hip calm. Feeling of left hand gone. Now you stay with right hip. Right hip. Right hip, move down to right hip. Feeling of right knee calm. Right knee, move down to right foot. Feeling of right foot calm. Feeling of right knee gone. Right foot, now change to left hip, move down to left hip, now your mind stay with left knee, move down to left foot, left foot, change to your back, feeling of your back calm, feeling of your left foot calm, your back calm. Now feel the whole body, feel the whole body, 2 hands, 2 legs, 1 body, feel the whole body sitting, the feeling of the whole body calm, feeling of your back calm. Now keep on maintaining feeling of the whole body. Stay with the mind. Now this is the mind. Stay with the whole body sitting. Body breathe